Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let's say thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who blessing and guiding us, so we can attend to the amazing occasion today. Second, greeting and salutation are delivered to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in a world full of beauty, and that beauty comes from our difference. We are different in cultures, in languages, in religions, in customs, and even in the way we see the world. Indonesia itself is a perfect example. From Sabang to Merauke, we are rich in diversity. But the question is, how do we live together in harmony? Well, I am lovely Aura Andi Putri from SMP Muhammadiyah Al-KAUTSAR Program Khusus. Today, I will deliver a speech about the responsibility of the resilient generation to build harmony in diversity. My dear friends, we are the young generation, the resilient generation. We are the ones who will shape the future. We are the ones who must protect peace, promote tolerance, and build unity in the middle of this diversity. And what does it mean to be resilient? To be resilient means to stay strong even when life is hard. It means not giving up when we face problems. As a generation that is growing up in the era of global challenges like social conflict, cyberbullying, fake news, or even hate speech, we must be strong. But not just strong emotionally, we must also be strong in values. The values of respect, empathy, justice, and understanding. So, what are our responsibilities? First, we must learn and understand difference, not fear them. When we meet people in different backgrounds, we should not judge, but listen. We should not hate, but appreciate. Diversity is not something to avoid, it is something to celebrate. Second, we must be the voice of peace in our community. At school, online, or even in our neighborhood, we must stop bullying, stop racism, and stop discrimination. Instead, we must speak kind words, build friendship, and support each other. Third, we must use our knowledge and technology wisely. We are the digital generation. What we share on social media can build harmony or can destroy it. So, let's choose to share positivity, spread tolerance, and connect with people in a good way. My dear friends, why is harmony in diversity important? Because without harmony, there will be conflict. And without understanding, there will be hatred. But with harmony, we can build a society that is peaceful, productive, and happy for everyone. Harmony is the key to unity, and unity is the foundation of a strong nation. Let me give you an example. During disasters or hard times, people don't ask each other what religion you are or what tribe you come from. They come together as one. That is the spirit we must keep alive, not only during crisis, but every day. Finally, let us be proud of who we are. Let us be strong but kind, brave but respectful. Let us be resilient enough to unite, not divide, to build bridges, not walls. Because the future belongs to us, and it is our responsibility to make it a future full of harmony, peace, and unity in diversity. That's all of my speech, and thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.